आमकां दिसता की आमचे लिडर बाब राहुल गांधी सदांच म्हणटा की दिस बिल वॉज ब्रॉट अगेन्स्ट द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. आज सुविधा विथ द करंट सेन्सस अँड ऑल द लिगल प्रोसिडिंग्स विदिन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन विथ द करंट पॉट सीट MPs आहाय अंडर दॅट वी कॅन गिव रिप्रेझेंटेशन टू अंडर 530 सीट्स. पूण वुमन रिजर्वेशन जे तेमी 2023 जे पास केले, वॉट वॉज द नीड टू रिपील दॅट अँड ब्रिंग इन अ न्यू लॉ. हे कॉन्स्टिट्युशनल अमेंडमेंट जे पळय दिस वॉज एंटी डेमोक्रेटीक, कित्याक स्पेशली टू स्टेट्स इन द साऊथ. आनीक म्हाका दिसता इट इज अ फिटिंग रिप्लाय टू दी NDA. दे हॅव कन्व्हीन्ड द मीटिंग इज वॉट आय हॅव अंडरस्टूड. सो दिस इज अ failing to which म्हाका दिसता the people of India have rejected. I congratulate all the member of parliament who have voted against this particular bill. This is not for woman shakti or nari shakti. आज आमी जोरी तोर चोयता हो आमचो सरकार आनी दोतोर प्रमोद सावंतूय उलयता नारी शक्तीचे बिल आनी प्रमोट करपाक जाय. पूण नारी शक्ती खरेंच जोरी तोर जाल्ली जाल्यार आमच्या मदें जे वुमन आहाय तांकां मिनिस्ट्री कित्याक दिनाय? इट इज रियली सिरियस. The Congress party was the party who gave the first Prime Minister Indira Gandhi ji. The Congress party was the first party that made the President of India give woman representation. And the Congress party was the first that made the Speaker in the Lok Sabha. So म्हाका दिसता आज इंगेली arrogance आज दिसता to change and they are scared of a future election. That has been exposed and I congratulate the MPs for making sure that this bill has been. Definitely this is not in the interest. So why are you all waiting for, see, the Home Minister is on record ki 29 an is जावपाचे ना म्हणून. This will happen after 29. Why can't you do it now? 23 हाडले की whatever representation should be given will be given by 29. So why are you all waiting for so many years now and taking this forward? हे फक्त आनी एक जुमला. BJP is known for this जुमला. प्रयत्न मरे पास करपाचे आहले जेन्ना वुमन बिल 2023 कोणे ऑब्जेक्ट केल्ले? कोणे ऑब्जेक्ट केले 23 तो कोणान करूंक ना. आनी ती कितें आहा? दे आर लुकिंग एट डिलिमिटेशन, इन्क्रीजिंग द नंबर ऑफ सीट्स. दे से गोवा विल हॅव 53 MLAs. We have today so many Zilla Parishad members. What are their powers? At the same way, if you look at the number of MPs, it's going to increase to 850 that was proposed. Especially this is म्हाका दिसता if you look एक अन्याय on specially states, specially headed by the south, and everyone has objected it. म्हाका दिसता it has to be debated properly. Special session जे हाडले, this bill has failed because basically this government is anti-democratic. आंतां कित्याक करूं ना? There is a place, do it right away rather than just doing another jumla.